it's me, Nobody, and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone XSR Max. Apple sent me this brand new phone that they've been working on, and whatever. I'm unboxing a microphone. If any of you have seen my videos, you would know that the sound quality is complete garbage. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Fifine K669 microphone. So yeah, I already got it out of the online shipping box, so here it is. Dun, dun, dun. So in here we have the user's guide, and yeah, okay, so I'm gonna use that now. But we also have the microphone itself, the wires, and the stand for it to stand on. So if I put it like here, and I screw it onto here. Once you set up the stand, you can put it here, for example. It will stand up. You can rotate it 360 degrees, and you can turn it around. So for example, if I'm doing the video and I put it here, for example, and I do this, it will be able to capture my sound. So I didn't actually test it yet because the Surface Go that I'm using has a USB-C port, and that's the only port it has. This only works with USB, so I'm going to get an adapter soon, and then I'm going to do a review for it. But yeah, other than that, it just looks really nice. You can adjust the volume even, which is really good, and it's extremely easy to set up. You can just plug it in and then it will recognize it. But if that doesn't work, it's extremely easy to use. It works on both Macs and Windows. So yeah, I'm not going to test it out yet, but I will be doing the review probably next week for the microphone. I'm going to record it next week, and then it's going to come out two years later. So that's the end of the video, guys. If you want to see another video, even though that won't happen for a long time, like and subscribe, because that definitely whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna put that out. I make videos So let's see, if I have to think of a good idea for a video, then I have to record it, then I have to spend hours editing it. It should take 3 months. So yeah, okay, bye.